A topo surface representing the building site can be created by defining elevation points. The surface itself is generated by triangulating a surface based on the elevation and position of the points you place. Be sure you are in a view where the topography category is visible. In this project, the topography is not visible in either of the floor plan views, so the site view will be used to create the topo surface. On the Massing and Site tab, select the Topo Surface tool. Note that Revit automatically switches to sketch mode. Use the Place Points option on the Tools panel to begin defining elevation points for the topo surface. On the Options bar, specify the elevation for the point before placing it. The first points are placed at an elevation of 0. Now change the elevation value and place 2 additional points. As the points are placed, the topo surface is generated and contour lines are displayed. Additional points can be added at different elevations to further shape the topo surface. Points are added at different elevations to make a more level area on the surface. Add points as required to match your site conditions. After the points have been defined, click Finish to complete the topo surface. To add or modify points on an existing surface, select the topo surface and click Edit Surface. You can then add or delete points as required, or select a point and modify its position or elevation. Again, when your edits are complete, click Finish. Creating or editing a topo surface by points allows you to create a site model that reflects the surrounding topographic conditions for your Revit project.